In this video, we'll explore the concept of articles of incorporation, delve into their contents, understand the responsibilities of the incorporator, and review the steps that follow after filing these documents. If you're in need of such services, feel free to contact Zen Business and Inkfile. Additionally, they provide a range of other services that will greatly benefit your business. You can find their links in the description box below. And with that in mind, let's get started. Overview. Starting a business involves a maze of legal requirements, one of which is the crucial Articles of Incorporation. These simple yet vital documents play a pivotal role in establishing a corporation and its legal status. In this article, we'll break down what Articles of Incorporation are, their importance, and what they typically include. What are Articles of Incorporation? Articles of Incorporation, often referred to simply as the Articles, are the documents you file with your state to bring your corporation into existence. While different states may have varying requirements, these documents generally consist of basic information about your corporation. This information includes details such as the company's name, business address, the number of authorized shares, the par value of the shares, the name and address of your in-state registered agent, and the names and addresses of the incorporators. It's important to note that the corporation's legal existence begins once the state accepts these articles. In essence, the Articles of Incorporation establish a legal contract between the state, the corporation, and its shareholders. What's inside the articles? The specific requirements for Articles of Incorporation vary by state, but most share common elements. Number 1. Corporation information. This selection includes the company's name, business address, and the number of authorized shares with their par value. Number 2. Registered agent. It provides details about the in-state registered agent responsible for accepting legal documents on behalf of the corporation. Number 3. Incorporators. The names and addresses of the individuals initiating the corporation. Some states may require additional information like the corporation's purpose, the number of initial directors, their names and addresses, and the corporation's duration if it's not perpetual. Customizing your Articles of Incorporation. While Articles of Incorporation usually require limited information, they can be customized to suit your corporation's needs. These optional provisions allow you to manage the business, define how the corporation is managed and its affairs regulated, alter default rules, change certain statutory rules, known as default rules, that will otherwise apply to your corporation. For instance, you can specify who has the right to fill vacancies on the board of directors. Common additional provisions include naming initial directors, preemptive rights to maintain voting power, and cumulative voting provisions to enhance minority shareholder voting power. Role of the incorporator. Incorporators are responsible for signing the Articles of Incorporation and submitting them to the state with a required filing fee. They can be individuals or corporations and usually don't need an ongoing relationship with the company. If your articles identify initial directors, the powers of the incorporators cease upon filing. Otherwise, they must elect the directors. And once elected, the incorporator's responsibilities end. After filing the articles. After submission, the state's office reviews the articles to ensure completeness and proper corporate name availability. The corporation's existence begins once the state accepts the articles unless a delayed effective date is specified. Depending on your state, you may need to file further documents on the country level or publish the incorporation in local newspapers. Subsequently, your corporation must hold initial shareholder and director meetings, adopt bylaws, appoint officers, issue stock, obtain a federal tax identification number, and secure necessary business permits. In conclusion, Articles of Incorporation act as your corporation's birth certificate. While they typically require only basic information, state requirements and customization options can vary significantly. Working with compliance experts who understand these nuances can ensure a smooth incorporation process tailored to your business needs. Feel free to reach out Zen Business and Inkfile. They provide a range of other valuable services that can greatly benefit your business. You can find their links in the description box below. And there you have it, the concept of Articles of Incorporation. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.